Everyone says invest in large cap. They are safe and they are stable. But what if I told you that the truth is a bit more surprising? Large cap funds invest in India's biggest and most powerful company. The blue chip giants like Infosys, HDFC Bank, TCS, Reliance. They are the backbone of our economy. Over the last decade, large cap funds have given steady double-digit numbers, sometimes even matching mid-cap and small-cap funds during good phase. But here is a twist. In last few years, mid-cap and small-cap funds have ran ahead, leaving many investors think that are large cap funds still worth it? And that's exactly what we will decode in this video. We will look at how large cap funds actually work, real performance data over the years, should you invest or should you not, and smart tips before you choose one. So stay with us till the end, because by the time we will finish the video, you will exactly know, do large cap funds deserve a place in your portfolio or not. Namaste friends, I'm Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of Fincash.com. According to SEBI, a large cap fund is an equity mutual fund that invests at least 80% of its asset in top 100 companies by market capitalization. In simpler terms, these funds invest your money in India's top and the biggest, most trusted companies that drive the Indian economy. To give you perspective, these companies typically have a market capitalization of 20,000 crores and above, which makes them financially strong and capable of weathering tough market conditions. Think of them as the backbone of stock market, steady, strong and proven performance. They have survived tough times and given steady returns over the long term. In short, if you want a safe and steady investment in equity zone, large cap funds are where you can start. They are the comfort zone for most investors, and it is for a good reason. They have strong balance sheet, diversified business and experienced management. They are more liquid, meaning fund managers can easily buy or sell shares. And because they are part of the Nifty 50 or Sensex, they move in sync with India's economic growth. With large cap funds, you get exposures to India's biggest businesses without you needing to pick up stocks by yourself. Over the last 10 years, top-performing large-cap funds have delivered over 17 to 19% CAGR. That's roughly doubling your money every 4 years. During the COVID crash, while simple cap fell over 40%, large-cap dropped less and recovered fast. So yes, large-cap funds may not shoot up overnight, but they protect better in bad times, and that's what long-term wealth is built on. Here is the truth, large-cap funds do not always lead the show. When markets are booming and small caps rally, large cap funds often underperform simply because the biggest companies cannot grow at 30 to 40% every year. However, when markets correct, it is the large cap that stands tall and bounce back faster. So think of it this way. In bull market, that is when stock prices keep rising for a long time and the overall mood is positive, mid cap and small cap stocks usually outperform. That's because investors are willing to take more risk and smaller companies grow faster in those phases. But in volatile or bear market, when prices start falling or market keeps swinging sharply up and down, large cap funds act like your portfolio's safety net. These big companies do not fall as much, and they tend to recover faster when market stabilizes. So if you're building a balanced long-term portfolio, large cap funds should ideally be your core, the stable foundation that gives you stable returns and safety over the long term. In this segment, I'm going to lay down few categories, and if you fit in any of them, you can consider investing in large cap funds. Number 1, if you're a beginner and you want to start your journey in mutual funds. Because large cap funds invest in big companies, they are stable over the long run and they give good returns. So for a beginner, large cap funds can be a good entry point in the world of equities. They let you experience growth without extreme up and down. Second is if you have a moderate risk appetite. Now what does that mean? Risk appetite is basically how much fluctuation or ups and downs you can handle emotionally. For example, if you don't like seeing your portfolio jump 10% one month and drop 15% the next, large cap funds can be a go for you. They do not move as widely, and that stability helps you stay invested for a long term. Third is if you're looking for a core equity in your investment portfolio. Core allocation means the main or the foundational part of your investment, the part you keep for long term. Large cap funds are perfect for that because they grow steadily and give stability. The next category is if your investment horizon is at least 5 years or more. Horizon means how long you can stay invested. Equity funds need time to grow. Over 5 to 10 years, large cap funds help you ride out market up and down and build solid wealth. And yes, these funds are also perfect if you want to diversify away from the craziness of small caps. No investment is risk-free, and even large cap funds. So here are few points that you must remember. Large cap funds do have market risk. That is, when the overall stock market falls, even the biggest companies fall. Large cap funds drop less, but they still move with the market. Second is benchmark lag. Every fund is compared to an index like Nifty 100 or Sensex. Sometimes fund managers fail to beat that index, that's called underperformance. Third is overvaluation. Big popular stocks like HDFC Bank or Reliance often trade at high price. If the company's growth slows down, the stock can correct sharply because it was overvalued. The next is expense ratio. It is a small fee you pay the fund house every year to manage your money. A higher expense ratio means lower returns in your pocket, so always compare before investing. So yes, large cap funds are stable but not guaranteed. So you still need patience of 5 years of investments to ride the ups and downs of the market. Before you put your money in large cap funds, here are simple, smart investment tips for you, especially if you're a newbie into investment segment. Rule number 1, look at long-term performance, at least 5 to 10 years. Do not get carried away on how fund performed last year. Market go up and down all the time. When you see 5 to 10 years data, you get a real picture of how the fund performs through different market cycles, that is bull runs, crashes and recoveries. The second tip is compare the fund's return with its benchmark. Every mutual fund has a benchmark like the Nifty 100 or Sensex, which acts as a yardstick to measure its performance. Think of it like a scoreboard. If your fund gives better returns than its benchmark, it means your fund manager is adding real value, not just following the market. The third tip is check the expense ratio. Ideally, it is said that the lower it is better. Expense ratio simply means the fee you pay the fund house every year for managing your money. It automatically gets deducted from your return. So a lower expense ratio means more of your returns stay with you. Next is look for a strong track record and an experienced fund manager. A fund with long history and a skilled manager usually handle market ups and downs better. Check if the same manager has been with the fund for many years. That consistency matters. And most importantly, try to choose systematic investment plan route, that is SIP. This means you invest a fixed amount every month. It is like building wealth step by step instead of trying to guess the right time to invest. When markets are high, you buy fewer units. When they are low, you buy more. This helps average out your cost and saves you from the stress of market timing. By 2030, India is set to become world's third largest economy with projected GDP of $7.3 trillion. Corporate earnings are growing steadily. Many blue chip stocks are entering a new expansion cycle. Large cap may not give you 20 to 25% return every year, but it can give you 12 to 15% CAGR return in the long run, which is absolutely achievable. When inflation rises, global uncertainty takes place, or when election causes volatility. Remember, these big names act as your financial seatbelt. So before we wrap up, if you're wondering which are the top performing large cap funds, head to our Explore Fund page. On our homepage, you will find Explore Funds. In the extreme left side, under the equity category, choose large cap. And on the extreme right corner side, you will find customized fund field where you will find various filters. Choose your parameters suitable to your financial goals. So use it wisely, compare and pick by considering all the parameters that we discussed in this video. And lastly, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It is your money, invest it smartly. You know, in the world of investing, almost everyone is trying to chase speed. But true wealth is built with patience and stability. You know, Acharya Chanakya ji said, the one who sees far away and acts accordingly never falls in trouble. And that's exactly what large cap investing is all about. It is seeing the bigger picture, playing in long run. It is about choosing strength over speculation. That is the power of long-term thinking, and that is the power of large cap funds. So do not panic or keep chasing. Think and act wisely. Let the compounding do its miracle.